Have you ever wondered how homeopathic remedies work at a molecular level? It all begins with a concept known as homeopathic potency. This term refers to the strength of a remedy, determined through a unique process. Imagine a substance undergoing serial dilution and succussion, a fancy term for vigorous shaking. The original substance is diluted again and again, each time followed by a robust shake. This isn't done just for kicks, it's a critical part of homeopathy. Practitioners believe that this process enhances the remedy's therapeutic properties while reducing the risk of side effects. It's a bit like turning up the volume on beneficial effects while turning down the noise of unwanted reactions. So at the core of homeopathy, there's a unique process that aims to balance potency and safety. But how does this process work at a molecular level? Let's dive deeper. The process of succussion and dilution is a fundamental aspect of creating homeopathic remedies. But what exactly happens during this process? Well, it all begins with a substance, which is diluted in a solvent, typically water or alcohol. This diluted solution is then vigorously shaken in a process known as succussion. This isn't just a one-time thing. The process of dilution and succussion is repeated numerous times, leading to extreme levels of dilution. Some might wonder, won't the original substance be lost after such extreme dilution? Homeopathic practitioners, however, have a different take. They believe that the process of succussion energizes the substance, transferring its therapeutic properties to the solvent, even when the substance itself is no longer detectable. So, despite extreme dilution, homeopathy maintains that therapeutic properties are retained. But how is this possible? The answer might lie in the realm of nanotechnology. Nanoparticles and homeopathy. It might seem like an unlikely pairing, but it's a topic that's generating a lot of buzz in scientific circles. The confluence of these two concepts stems from the unique process of succussion and dilution that homeopathic remedies undergo. This process, characterized by intense shaking and extreme dilution, is believed to potentially create nanoparticles or nanostructures. Now, what's interesting about these nanoparticles is that they're theorized to retain properties or even information from the original substance. This is despite the fact that the substance has been diluted to such an extent that the original molecules are virtually non-existent. Imagine that, tiny particles carrying the essence of a substance, even when that substance is no longer physically present in any significant quantity. It's a concept that certainly sparks curiosity and debate. However, it's important to note that the existence and role of these nanoparticles in homeopathy is a subject of ongoing research and controversy. The scientific community is split. Some studies suggest the possibility of nanoparticles being formed during the succussion and dilution process, while others contest their presence. The contention arises from the extreme dilution levels that surpass Avogadro's limit, a concept in chemistry that theoretically suggests the absence of original molecules in such diluted solutions. So, the question remains, do nanoparticles really exist in homeopathic remedies? And if they do, what role do they play? These are complex questions that scientists around the world are attempting to answer, delving deeper into the molecular world of homeopathic remedies. The potential involvement of nanoparticles in homeopathy is an area that continues to be explored scientifically, raising intriguing questions about the nature and mechanisms of these highly diluted substances. However, conclusive evidence regarding the presence, nature, and impact of nanoparticles in homeopathic potencies remains a topic of ongoing investigation and discussion within the scientific community. The world of homeopathy is filled with intriguing questions and potential discoveries. As the debate continues, one thing remains clear. The journey to understanding the molecular workings of homeopathic remedies is a fascinating one.